Najmaji, welcome to Chicago, and please tell us about quickly about your new book that you have published.
My book, थोड़ा जोर से आवाज
हाँ
कर.
वो किताब के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं.
Please tell us about your book that you have published.
Okay, okay. You know, हिंदी में बोलूं?
जो भी मर्जी.
नहीं, आप जो बोलेंगे मैं बोल दूं.
अंग्रेजी बोल दीजिए.
हाँ,
अंग्रेजी बोल दीजिए.
अंग्रेजी में बोल दूं. You know, I was born. My grandfather, grandmother, they were born in Makkah, and they came um, to India. My great grandfather came with his children, 5 children, 2 sons, 3 daughters from Makkah. One son was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who was a freedom fighter, and he was in British jail for almost 12 years in fighting against the occupation. And he had newspapers which was uh, taken away by the British and all that. So my grandmother and her sister, they moved to Bhopal state because Bhopal state was ruled by 4 generations of women, and the last ruler was very conscious of women's education. So my grandmother was appointed the director of women's education, and her sister was the secretary of the women's club. So that's how I came to Bhopal. And I saw these Pathan women, rulers, that they were riding like Lakshmi Bai. They were riding the horses and going to the war and all that. And my aunt, my grandmother was a director of education, and my auntie was teacher in a school. So I saw women coming out of the house and my grandmother signing documents. So I saw women have to do that. They have to do something. And my auntie's influence was very much on me. So she told me, don't differentiate between boys and girls. They are just human beings like you. So she insisted that I study in this school which was co-ed, where she was teaching, and the college also, which is co-ed. I topped in the university in my postgraduate, and there is a very interesting point in it about dowry. Um, when I topped in the MSc previous, so from Ujjain, where our university was, Vikram, a boy came and he says, why you want to top in the university? Because you are a girl and I'm a boy. I said, what difference does it make if a girl tops or a boy tops? Who is good will top. He said, no, if I top, my in-laws have promised a big dowry. So I got so angry. I just said, now I will top because you are exploiting your education for getting money. So I'm not going to let you top, I promise. And I topped the university, got a gold medal, and then I was offered. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru knew my grandfather like a friend, so he introduced me to Indian Council for Scientific Research. So I did my PhD when I was only 22 years old, and my postgraduate, postdoctoral work also research. And my research is on cardiac anatomy of the birds. So I was offered a job by NASA to work, but I was too young, so my father didn't send me. This is the long and short, and rest you can read in the book.
One more question is, um, you know, you have accomplished so much in your life, as a woman in politics. Do you have any message for the women, younger women of India, whether they live here or in India, to how to be a participant in politics?
I'll tell you one thing how all this happened. My grandfather had given me a bucket and a cloth to play in the garden. So one day I was digging a hole this much. So he said, "What are you digging?" So I said, "I'm digging a canal, surang." So he said, "Where you want to go for it? What were you to do?" I said, "I want to go to New York because United Nations was established at that time." So I said, "I want to go to UN." So he laughed at me. He had given me a globe also. So I saw Bhopal and New York just across. So I said, "Let me dig a cup." I didn't know how to go otherwise. So he says, "Okay." He laughed. I said, "Why you're laughing?" He said, "No, no, keep digging your tunnel." So that was my desire to come to United Nations. And I every year came to United Nations. I presided over United Nations. There's a photograph in it where I got a conference of the speakers of the world conference in UN. So my message to the young people is whatever your commitment is, if you are sincere about it, you will be successful. Just dream, think, should have a desire about what you want to do in life. And that's
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद and congratulations on your book. Thank you very much.